With the continuous progress of science and technology, the functions of electronic products and industrial equipment are becoming stronger and stronger. At the same time, the heat generated by them brings many problems, and the heat dissipation of electronic components becomes very important. So the heat dissipation fan is increasingly favored by people. Hello guys, this is Andy. Today we come to number 2 building of Dongguan Yiheda to visit the heat dissipation product center and learn the knowledge of cooling fan. Let's go. We have reached the heat dissipation product center. 你好，李先生。
你好，欢迎，来这边请。
Today we are so lucky to invite the manager Mr. Lee to introduce the relevant knowledge of fans.
风扇其实它分类有很多种，我们按不同的类别去分。如果是按它们的一个风向去区分的话，我们有分为轴流风扇跟离心风扇。
The cooling principle of the fan is very simple. The forced thermal convection is used to dissipate heat in a certain space, with its own guiding function. The heat exchange of the air can take away the accumulated heat to realize forced convection. There are many types of fans. If we distinguish them according to the wind direction, we can divide them into axial flow fans and centrifugal fans. According to the voltage, we have DC fans and AC fans.
其实风扇的整个制成，它有两个比较重要的know-how，一个是它的一个框叶的一个模具设计，另外一个就是它的一个电路板的一个设计。
There are two important know-how in the fan manufacturing process. One is the mold design of fan frame and the fan blade, and the other is the circuit board design. Let's take a look at the circuit board. Our fan will choose a chip with higher stability and make the maximum power with the minimum current.
压完我们的磁环之后，在点完胶之后会进行一个平衡的这个测试。
The second know-how is the design of our fan frame and blades. After the injection molding, our fan frame and blades will be dynamically balanced to ensure that the balance of the fan is stable. Each fan shall be tested for its balance value. For fans that fail to pass the test, balance marks shall be added at the position indicated by the equipment until the fan's balance reaches the detection requirement of less than 30 milligrams.
这是我们的一个静音房，对。
这个静音房的员工他们在做一些什么测试呢？
在我们静音房里面，主要是做完的成品之后的一个3个步骤的测试。第一个是它的一个电性能，电性能就包括它的一个转速、它的一个电流以及它的一个功能。
In the silent room, the workers mainly test the electrical performance of the fan, including rotation rate and current, PWM function, RD function, and FG function. Fans that fail the test will be displayed NG on the screen and need to be reworked. Now, workers are conducting hand feeling tests to test whether the fan meets the actual balance requirements through human feeling. The decibel value here is about 20 decibels lower than that outside, which is helpful to manually judge whether the fan has abnormal sound.
每一台风扇都会进行一个30分钟的一个全检的老化。
Each fan must pass the aging test for 30 minutes. During this process, it is also necessary to observe whether its air volume and vibration meet the requirements.
这边就是我们做好打包好的一个风扇的一个成品以及它的一个包厢。
The fan passing a series of tests will be put into the anti-collision packaging box to ensure the integrity of the fan during transportation.